Hello and welcome to a grey Lymington. Here we have Cunning Plan B. She is a Mystery 35 built by the lovely Cornish crabbers down in Cornwall in 2015. She's been very lightly used. Quick look up her rig there, that's a Selden mast with twin spreaders. She's got a Dacron main and jib, cruising chute and an asymmetric spinnaker from 2017. As you saw, she's got a blue hull which was double gel coated, and then she's got cream decks. Up forward we've got a Selden Furlex furler below the deck, and we've got a Lumar quick electric anchor windlass. She's a very highly spec'd boat, so she's got every gadget you could want. Underneath, under the water, she has been copper coated. So back aft, look at her transom there, you've got a fold down bathing ladder. She's got very pretty lines. We've also got nice little gin and tonic seats on the transom. It's a nice deep safe cockpit as well. Got lots of storage, so we've got this big locker back here. See all the sheets stored in there at the moment. Traveller there runs across the cockpit. Engine control panel for the Yanmar 3YM30, which is an upgrade from the standard 20 horsepower. And then just above that we had the bow thruster control, so she really is not short of gadgets, as I said. Beautifully varnished tiller, which does fold up, so you get lots of space in the cockpit. And then we've got another nice big locker here, which I just have a little, need two hands to open. There we go. So it's looking forward. Spray hood comes nice and far back, so you're well protected. That's the heater outlet for in the cockpit, which is a very nice addition. So nav-wise, we've got autopilot control there, which is also for the tiller pilot. And then we've got a multi-display and a wind display. We've got two big banks of clutches either side, so everything is run back to the cockpit, including her removable Selden bowsprit. Raymarine E95 chart plotter there. She's also got radar and AIS. Nice teak laid cockpit, and she's got a tonneau cover that goes over the cockpit. Head down below and you can just see she is absolutely lovely down here. She still smells like a new boat. She's in really lovely condition. Up forward, we've got a double V berth with infill there, which turns the whole cabin into a berth. There's a little curtain that comes across as well. Here's the heads, which has got a manual Jabsco. Excuse the cleaning products that I completely forgot to put away and dropped one on the floor. Nice view around the heads. Opposite, we've got this sort of bureau area with good storage. She's not short of storage for a 35 footer. Starboard here, we've got obviously the long berth there with a trotter box for your feet. You are sleeping people in the saloon. Got an extra lift up worktop there. And then under here, we've got the stove, double stove there with oven into the fridge. And single sink there. Then we've got this pilot berth, which is where the downwind sails are stored currently. There we got the VHF, battery monitor there, the heater control, another chart plotter, and all her switches, double electric bilge pumps. Quick look under the sole here. This is the main access point. So you've got good access to seacocks, all the pumps and then down into the sump there as well. Access to the top of the engine here, and that has got a grand total of 60 hours on it. It was all serviced, including the sail drive leg, in August 2020. So she is a lovely Mystery 35.